EDI Exchange functions, and setup. Hello, in this video I will show how EDI Exchange works. I will talk about EDI Exchange. EDI Exchange is a module that every product from HIPAA suite nearly has, and, as the name implies, it is needed for the exchange of EDI files with trading partners. So what does that mean? Well, we have trading partners there and the properties will be defined. We have an inbox manager. That means when files come in, we decide what to do with them. There's an FTP client. We have a compliance engine that uses structural exchange files, SEF, to check if EDI file passes HIPAA compliance as the product setup. We also can create 999 files automatically. This EDI exchange, they are functional acknowledgements. If your trading partner insists that you sent them an acknowledgement, it will be done. And lastly, auto process, which shall happen with the file after it has been received. EDI Exchange also has detailed log on heavy incoming and outgoing file. And let's get into the setup of EDI Exchange. So here is the screen to set up EDI Exchange. Route directory. Where do I have my EDI files? So in my case, I have a folder on my D drive that I call EDI route, and that's what I choose. Email server. Well, EDI Exchange can notify staff of the company via email of any incoming file of any processing results. If you want to set this up, you define your SMTP server, the address login ports, and then here you have a list of email recipients validate outgoing files. Yes, of course you do want to validate outgoing files, and you even want to hold individual records that are not in compliance. These will not be included in the EDI file. If you want to send out 100 records and 2 fail, and with this settings you will send on 8998 and 2 will be held back on the other side. If you receive files, you have an option to reject incoming files with more errors than, well, let's say you don't accept any errors, then at this time the file will be rejected. And 999 with the reject code will be sent and the error will be clearly described in the 999 so that your trading partner can correct and send the begin. This should be it. This gets really complex into the global appliance engine. Sometimes you want to ignore specific error codes because that's just not important to you. This is where you do it. You check this and then add your codes that you want to ignore. This way the reject will not happen for specific errors. Okay, I saved this information and now I click on Initialize and we will see EDI Exchange Initialization. We are checking for EDI Dev. That's our compliance engine. We are checking if all the tables are there and we created them before. We are checking for all the directories that are needed in box-out-box, processed files, encrypted files, suspended files. All of these directives will be created or are found already and everything is fine. We have a green check mark here and this is all. EDI Exchange is now ready to use. This is all for now. Thank you for watching.